containers, pipes, tanks, drums, glass. Area of a part of a circle. Subtopic: area of a common region between two circles. Circular faces are found in objects used in many real-life situations. The objects include cylindrical containers, pipes, tanks, drums, glasses, cups, and basins. Area of a sector. The following is a diagram showing a sector. The arc subtend an angle of theta degrees at the center of circle of radius r. The area of sector AOB is theta over 360 times pi times r, which is equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared. Note that the area of a sector is a fraction of the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. The size of the fraction is determined by the angle of the sector. For example, if the angle is theta, the fraction is theta over 360. If the angle is 60 degrees, the fraction is 60 over 360, which is equal to 1 over 6. Example: find the area of the following sector. Solution: area of the sector is equal to 80 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters, which is equal to 34.22 centimeters squared. Area of the segment. A sector is made up of triangle OAB and a segment, the shaded part. The area of the segment. Find the area of the sector. Find the area of triangle OAB. Subtract the area of the triangle OAB from the area of the sector. Area of the sector is equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared. Area of the triangle is equal to 1 over 2 times r squared times sin theta. Area of the segment is equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared, which is equal to 1 over 2 r squared sin theta. Example 1. Find the area of the shaded part in the figure below. Pi r is equal to 3.142. Solution. The area of the sector is 60 over 360 times 3.142 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 13.09 centimeters squared. The area of the triangle OPQ is 1 over 2 times 5 times 5 times sin 60, which is equal to 1 over 2 times 25 centimeters times 0.866, which is equal to 10.83 centimeters squared. Area of Example 2. Find the area of the segment in the following diagram given that xy is 12 centimeters and radius is 10 centimeters. Solution. Is perpendicular OT bisector of the chord XY? XT is equal to 6 centimeters and TY is equal to 6 centimeters. Using the right-angled triangle OTY, find the height OT by Pythagoras theorem. Height h is equal to dy squared minus ty squared. H is equal to 102 minus 62. H is equal to 100 minus 36, which is equal to 64. H is equal to 8 centimeters. Then area of the triangle XOY is equal to 1 over 2 times base times height. Base is equal to 12 centimeters. Height is equal to 8 centimeters. Area is equal to 1 over 2 times 12 centimeters times 8 centimeters, which is equal to 48 centimeters squared. Area of common regions between two circles. The following are two circles with center A and B. When two circles interact, they form a common region. When the circles are separated, we note that the common region is made up of the two segments. The common area that is shaded is calculated by adding the areas of the two segments. Example 1. Find the area of the common shaded in diagram below where the circles have an equal reading of 7 centimeters and is angle PAQ is equal to angle PBQ, which is equal to 60 degrees. Solution. Separate the circles to show the segments. To find the area of the common region, find the area for the segment in the circle center A. Area of the sector is equal to 60 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 7 times 7, which is equal to 25.67 centimeters squared. Area of the triangle APQ is equal to 1 over 2 times 7 times 7 times sin 60, which is equal to 21.22 centimeters squared. Area of the segment is equal to 25.67 minus 21.22, which is equal to 4.45 centimeters squared. Note that the two segments are equal. Therefore, the area of the common region is 4.45 centimeters times 2, which is equal to 8.9 centimeters squared. Example 2. Find the area of the shaded region in the following diagram. To find the area of the section in circle center Q, draw sector. Find the area of the triangle. Sin theta is equal to 5 over 7, which is equal to 0.7143. Sin to the power of negative 1 is equal to 0.7143, which is equal to 45.59 degrees. Theta is equal to 45.59 degrees.